Welcome to YOUCANIC. So today I'm going to discuss how you would replace a sway bar linkage. So we got the sway bar here and there's bushings on there, but say you just need to replace this sway bar linkage. So with the sway bar linkage you've got a nut here and you've got a bolt here. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to put your wrench on there on the inside, and you can loosen it, and sometimes it'll come completely loose, but sometimes it'll just spin around if it's really worn out. And so you'll need to take another wrench and put it on the back side to catch it, and that's an 8 on this vehicle and a 17 on the outside. And this one you're just using to hold it so that the bolt doesn't spin around, and then you're going to loosen with this one and loosen to remove, and then remove the nut completely. And then if it's stuck in there, you can tap it with a good hammer and give it a pull out. If not, if it doesn't come out, then you may have to use a type of puller like this and be able to get it, put it on through this side and get it in there, and then just crank it and push that out, and then that way it will come undone. And you got the same method on the top. That's the bottom sway, the linkage, and then this one connects up to the suspension itself. This is all designed to help your car ride smoother and to do what it needs to do. So do the same way, wrench there and wrench here to hold it into place. Sometimes these are also just like a Torx head or triple squares, depending on your vehicle that you're working on. And then you would loosen those, remove it. And this one is not going to be as easy to get a puller on, but you could get a puller around here depending on the size of pullers you have, or just tap it really good with the hammer and knock it out, and then put the new one in and tighten it up. And you have to hold this on this side and tighten at the same time. So hold this free and then tighten. And that's how you'd replace a sway bar. Some might be a little bit designed differently than this one, but it's generally about the same method on any vehicle you have, is how to attach this sway bar linkage. And that's how you would do that. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.